There is one thing common between you and me. We all have belief. Today, I am going to speak about my belief. I strongly believe that belief can be changed. Let me share my story. How did I change my belief? Guys, I was born in a small town in a very low middle class family. My initial schooling was done in a government school, and I learned my first alphabet of English when I was 10 and a half years old in class 5th. So you can imagine how would I have learned my English. My father was a daily wager and we hardly able to meet both ends. But by the time I reached 5th to 6th standard, our financial position was much better than the earlier. Up to 7th standard, I completed my study in a government school. 8, 9, 10, I able to join high school, and up to 12th standard I studied in Marathi medium, and you can imagine we hardly able to speak English, a single word of English, up till I was in class 10. Anyhow, I passed my 10th standard, and when I joined college, you can imagine with this spectacular English, command or English, I have joined college, and by that time my belief was set only privileged and intellectual people can speak better, and I was not among them. But when I grow, when I see people, I understood that English is just a language. It is just a medium of communication. It is a skill, but it is a learnable skill basically. I started taking efforts on my English. I read lot of books, lot of magazines. I watched lot of English movies. I met people who could speak better. I tried taking help from people who are already good in English. And this is how my journey of spoken English has started. Guys, let me tell you, the actual learning has started when I joined the corporate life. Then only I understood that this is just a language. One can learn this language with some little bit efforts. We can definitely learn this language. And people like Praveen, it has proven that it is a learnable skill and you can learn this. Fortunately, in corporate life, I have come across so many good supervisors, friends. With the help of them, I could able to learn. And guys, let me tell you, today I am heading a position of vice president in one of the top bank, and my English is much better than the earlier years. So this is how I have changed my belief. Earlier I was thinking that only privileged people, only intellectual people could speak English or better English, but that is not the case. Anyone can learn English. Today I am feeling very good, very satisfied that I just came out of this belief. It really helped me to change my thought, my perspective. And today, with this perception, this is my perspective as belief can be changed. The way I have changed my belief. Guys, let me tell you, English is just a language, it's a medium of communication. It's a learnable skill. You can, anyway, you can improve on that. You can definitely, with some efforts, you can learn, you can grow, and definitely you can speak. Thanks a lot, Praveen, giving such a great opportunity to speak a platform like Speak and Grow. I'm definitely would like to be a part of this good platform. I know I want to change my life for forever. Guys, this is my first video. Hit a like button if you like it. Give your feedback whenever you feel. Let me assure you, this is my first video but not the last. I'll keep posting new videos with my perspective. I have a total 18 years of experience, and through this experience I have learned a lot. Thanks a lot. Thank you.